Isang linggo na lamang bago ang federal by-elections na gaganapin sa April 13. Ang advance voting para sa mga ito nagsara na Lunes. Tinututukan po ang resulta ng mga halalan dahil maaaring ito ang magdikta kung makakakuha ba ng majority government ang Liberals ni Prime Minister Mark Carney. Makakasama po natin mula sa isa sa mga riding sa Ontario, si Teresa Redula. Teresa?
Isang linggo na lamang bago ang tatlong by-elections sa Canada, dalawa sa mga nasabing riding naririto sa Toronto. Binabantayan ng resulta lalo't kung mananalo ang Liberals sa dalawa sa tatlong ridings. Magkakaroon na ng majority government ang partido ni Prime Minister Mark Carney sa House of Commons. Naririto ang Omni News sa riding ng Scarborough Southwest, kung saan mga Pilipino ang ikatlong pinakamalaking visible minority group sa lugar. At 8 ang opisyal na kandidato sa nasabing riding. Isa sa kanila ang Filipina real estate professional na si April Francisco, na tumatakbo bilang isang independent candidate.
Ang daming Filipino sa Scarborough Southwest. And I was given the opportunity, which is rare, right? And so that's why I stepped in. And then I said, okay, let me at least be the voice of the person. And so that's what makes me different too, like because I'm independent, so I can really voice and reach out to people and they can be the party. They can be my party.
Dating hawak ni former Defense Minister Bill Blair ang nasabing riding. Bumaba sa pwesto para maging High Commissioner ng Canada sa United Kingdom. Ang tumatakbo ngayon para sa Liberals, si Dolly Begum, na dating Deputy Leader ng NDP sa Ontario Provincial Government at Member of Provincial Parliament din sa parehong riding. Nakausap ng aming mga kasamahan sa City News si Begum Lunes. Aniya, malinaw na desisyon daw ang pagtakbo para sa Liberals.
The country is facing a moment of crisis like never before. And it felt right to represent the community that I have been representing for nearly 8 years, and I know the struggle. I've lived here, I've grown up here, and I think the community, has always, found me to be a representative that listens to their voice, and I see a prime minister who has a vision, a strong vision, to, fight for what needs to be done in Canada, what's going on in the south, with the threats that we're facing with tariffs, and I'm just really excited to be working with the Prime Minister and solving these issues and representing my community.
Nakapanayam din ng Omni News ang Green Party candidate na si Pooja Malhotra, isang dating lecturer at ngayon isang medical copywriter at community organizer.
For a lot of people, one, they don't know there's an election still happening. The other is people are still stuck between, oh, we want to vote Liberal because we don't want Conservatives to come in. I really want them to know, if you've not voted yet, this is a win-win election for us. If you want Carney to be Prime Minister, he's still Prime Minister the day after the election on the 14th. But we've had a certain party here for 40 years, not much has changed, it's only gotten worse. So we can really make a difference here by voting how we really want and not being strategic. Scarborough deserves a lot more, let's give it.
Hinihintay pa rin ng Omni News na makapanayam si Begum at makarinig mula sa tanggapan ng Conservatives at NDP, mga partidong mayroon ng seat sa House of Commons. Maaasahan ang full coverage ng Omni News kaugnay sa Scarborough Southwest riding at kung bakit mahalaga ito sa mga Pilipino sa mga darating na araw. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.